Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I want to show you a 2018 Heartland Cyclone 4115 is the model number. Come on inside, let me show you around. When you come into the living area here guys, you see a nice open floor plan. You got 3 recliners. You got your double door fridge, plenty of space. Then if you come over here, you got a nice large stainless steel sink. One-piece Corian countertop, plenty of countertop space, a 3-burner stove, microwave convection combo with the oven as well. Plenty of storage, overhead storage. Come on in back and I'll show you the back end. You have a 15-foot garage in here. You got a side-by-side dinette that folds into a bunk, as well as this one here. You also have a bathroom in the back. Couple extra recliners, and above you got another bunk for another kiddo. Come on up front. We should also have washer and dryer hookups as well, guys. Come on up front and I'll show you the bedroom. When you come into the bedroom, got a nice cabinet for coats, towels, plenty of more storage, storage above the bed, as long as on the side with a nice king-size bed, nice LED 32-inch TV, and if you come into the bathroom, got a nice full-size shower for big people. Plenty of storage. Then come on outside, I'll show you the rest of your toy hauler. You have 2 full-size power awnings with an outside kitchen as well as an outside TV. You got an extra door to leave the toy area. You got your fill station as well as a ladder to get up on the roof. And then you got a nice full-size pass-through with 2 propane tanks. Guys, if you have any questions about this unit, my name is Fred.Zent. My cell number is 541-729-9500. Give me a call. I'd love to help you.